Okay, hello students. Good morning. Here I came with video of maths class 11th, and this is the part 2. This is the part 2 video. For convenience of you, I have written in each video part 1, part 2, part 3 and etc. so that you can understand which video is on which sequence. Because if you there are so many videos will be live on uh, our websites, so then you cannot choose whose video is first, second, third, and if I am not describing here because means there I see that there is not mentioned. So therefore this is the part 2 video. In part 1 video I have told you, I have teach you about sets. I have given the definition of sets and some one or two examples, but I promised I have written an example. I have in large section of videos in part 1. That example was collection of all good student. Collection of all good students, of course of your class 11. Suppose I make a collection of good student of your class. Now question is same. Question is whether this collection is set or not. So for it, let us we check whether this collection is well defined or not. Suppose I have given, so here a word is used good. So firstly, suppose I am given a name Ramesh. Suppose that Ramesh is a student of your class. Now whether Ramesh belongs to this set or not, now will depend upon Ramesh is good or not. Now question is whose student is called good. Suppose Ramesh is a student of your class who is good in study. Good in study, ये पढ़ने में अच्छा है, but his behavior is bad in class. Suppose that in class his behavior is bad. He fights with his friend, something आप समझ सकते हैं ऐसा. Maybe he fights, he uses abusive language. So therefore Ramesh is a student of your class who is good in study. पढ़ने में अच्छा है, but his behavior is not good. उसका behavior अच्छा नहीं है. His behavior is bad in class. So therefore whether Ramesh belongs to our set or not. Okay, are you understand this? Ramesh will belongs to our collection or not, because I have made the collection of good student. I don't have idea about whether Ramesh is called good boy or bad boy, because Ramesh is good in study but his behavior is not so good. And there is another student whose name is Suresh. Suppose he is Suresh. So Suresh, he is poor in study. Poor or weak or poor in study, but his behavior is well mannered. So I have two example. One is Ramesh, who is good in study but his behavior is bad, and Suresh, who is poor in study but his behavior is well mannered in class. So therefore some teachers who is focused on only study can say that Ramesh is a good boy, but some other teachers who also study their behavior in class can say that Ramesh is not a good boy because he fights with his friends, he disturbs the class. And Suresh, Some teachers say that Suresh is a good boy because his behavior is well mannered in class. He respect to teachers, he respect to all his friends, but he is poor in study. He is very weak in study. So therefore, on this property, poor in study, some teachers can say that Suresh is a bad boy, but some teachers, due to his behavior, can say that Suresh is a good boy. So therefore, these two student will belong to our set or not is in confusion. These things in confusion. आई थिंक यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. अब जरा ध्यान से समझिए. मैं हमारे पास दो स्टूडेंट, एक रमेश और एक सुरेश है. रमेश पढ़ने में अच्छा है लेकिन बिहेवियर इसका ख़राब है. सुरेश पढ़ने में ख़राब है लेकिन इसका बिहेवियर अच्छा है. एंड आई एम मेकिंग द कलेक्शन ऑफ गुड स्टूडेंट. आई डोंट हैव आइडिया अबाउट दीज टू स्टूडेंट्स विल बिलोंग्स टू आवर सेट आर नॉट, बिकॉज मुझे ये नहीं पता है, मैं कन्फर्म नहीं हूँ कि किस स्टूडेंट को मैं गुड कहूँ या ना कहूँ. एंड देयर आर आल्सो मे बी एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एन स्टूडेंट्स. सपोज दिस इज द महेश, सपोज इट इज महेश. अब इनके अंदर क्या क्वालिटी है? ही इज पुअर इन स्टडी, आल्सो हैव ए बैड हैबिट. इनकी आदत भी बहुत ख़राब है. सपोज ही इज़ पुअर इन स्टडी, पढ़ने में कमज़ोर, खराब आदत, बट देयर इज ए गुड क्वालिटी. बट हिज अटेंडेंस इन क्लास इज मोर देन 95%. अब सोचिए. नाउ थिंक अबाउट महेश. ही इज़ पुअर इन स्टडी, his behavior is also not good, but his attendance is more than 95%. So therefore Mahesh may be a good student in respect of some teachers due to respect of his attendance. Some teachers can say that Mahesh is also a good student due to attendance of due to the attendance more than 95% in class. So therefore Mahesh also belongs to our student, our collection. Mahesh also belongs to the collection of our good student. But I don't have exactly idea about the good student. Who student is said to be good student? So I am given 3 examples of students, and whose student is said to be good. You are also be in confusion. So therefore this collection is not well defined, because well defined means given any objects I have a proper idea about that objects whether belongs to collection or not. But here is no characterization of good students. So therefore this collection is not well defined. Okay, and if this collection is not well defined, so this is not a set. Similarly, since there is a time is I am seeing that time is very short, so therefore if I defined good, आप जल्दी से समझ लीजिए. if I define good stands for those students whose attendance in class is more than 95%. Suppose that I have defined the good student. Who is good student? I have defined the good student. Good stands for those students whose attendance in class is more than 95%. Now I have clearly defined which student is said to be good student, because now if I have given someone Ramesh name or Suresh or Mahesh, I will check the attendance register, and if their attendance is more than 95%, I will call that students good. So Ramesh will be good. Now it is clearly defined, because I will check the attendance register and then tell that whether it is good or not. And if its attendance is more than 90%, 95%, then I say that Ramesh is a good boy and he will belongs to our collection. So therefore, if I defined this good word, if I define good word like this, and in this case our above collection is becomes set. Okay, so therefore in if I defined like, if I define good as above, जैसे ऊपर मैंने डिफाइन किया इस तरीके से, then the collection of good students will be a set. ये क्या हो जाएगा, एक सेट हो जाएगा. ओके, आई थिंक नाउ यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड what is set. I have given two example. One example, first example was the set of natural number, and this second example was collection of good student. Now you can check your exercise 1.1, and there are first questions in which you have to select with you have given many collections and you have to check whether collection is well defined or not. So you can check there, and I will explain some examples in part 3 video, and I will teach you some notations of the set, how to denote a set, how to represent a set, how to represent a element belongs to a set. So these will be explained in part 3 video. Okay, thank you.